गोल्ड अपने सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बाय जोन में एंटर कर रहा है 2026 के. Are you positioned? After four consecutively weekly declines, gold is finally showing signs of rebound. Yet, despite that recovery, prices remain 25% below their peak, a discount that may not survive much longer if central bank activity is any guide. Now, this is not an ordinary buying. It is institutional accumulation on a scale that should command attention. The World Gold Council reported net central bank gold purchases of 41 tons in May, that's more than double April's 19 tons. In a single month, official sector demand accelerated by more than 115%. So, what central banks are doing? Central banks are using lower prices to accumulate before the next major breakdown phase begins. So, now what is a turning point? The strongest signal came from Poland, which added 18 tons in May alone. That lifted its 2026 purchases to 64 tons and pushed total reserves to 614 tons. China also stepped back into the market aggressively, buying 10 tons, its largest monthly addition since December 2024. More importantly, May marked China's 20th consecutive month of gold buying, taking total declared reserves to 2,331 tons. अब now ये कोई speculative positioning नहीं है. This is long-term strategic preparation by some of the largest reserve managers in the world. So retail traders have a question now where they'll further fall in the gold. So what the central banks are doing, they are answering that question with their balance sheet. So the 2026 Central Bank Gold Reserve Survey may be the clearest warning yet that gold's correction is running out of time. A remarkable 89% of central banks expect global gold reserves to increase over the next 12 months. Even more powerful, a record 45% plan to raise their own holdings. So, this is the highest level of intended buying ever recorded in the survey.